So Poisson distribution. Next we will discuss Poisson distribution. So in the morning we have discussed the binomial distribution, which is a discrete distribution. Poisson distribution is also a discrete distribution with a single parameter lambda. We write that as P lambda. Poisson distribution with parameter lambda, and it is also a discrete distribution, but here the number of trials is infinite. So here the probability mass function of Poisson distribution is given by fx is e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x by x factorial. So this is the probability mass function, and x takes up the value 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 dot. It's infinite. In case of binomial distribution, there were only n. It was 0, 1, 2 up to n. But in case of Poisson distribution, it's also discrete variable because it is taking the values only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it can go to up to infinity. It can go to up to infinity. So Poisson distribution is an infinite discrete distribution. Binomial distribution was a finite discrete distribution. In fact, Poisson distribution has a single parameter lambda. So when the lambda is known, the Poisson distribution is known. When the lambda is known, the Poisson distribution is also known. Like, say, if I say, let us give an example. Say, a typist is typing, typing, and the average number of errors. So average number of errors he makes is say 3 per page. So he makes 3 errors per page. So that means lambda equals to 3 in this case. And if there are 100 pages, what is the probability he will be making more than 3 errors? So this kind of problem can be used as lambda, no, sorry. A mathematics book contains 115 misprints distributed throughout its 115 pages. What is the probability that a page observed at random contains at least 3 misprints? So what has been said? How many pages the book has?
115.
The book has 115 pages. And how many misprints are there in the book? Also 115.
3.
115 misprints, no, 115 misprints. Total number of misprints is 115. That means at an average, how many misprints are there? 115 by 115. That
One
means
per page.
one misprint per page, right? One misprint per page. So that is the meaning. There are 115 misprints in 115 pages. But that does not necessarily mean that there are exactly one misprint in one page. It could be possible that in one page there are 10 misprints. In there are 50 pages there are no misprints. That's quite possible. Do you get my point? This is what
Sir.
actually the meaning of the problem is. There are 115 pages in the book and there are 115 misprints. So at an average, there is one misprint per page, but that does not mean or you can say expected that there is one misprint per page. It is expected, but that does not necessarily mean there will be exactly one misprint in every page. Some page could have none, some page could have 10, some page could have 50, some page could have, most of the pages could have done. So like that. So if you are this kind of problems, we can use the Poisson distribution. So what is the question that has been asked? What is the probability that a page has at least 3 misprints? So a page has at least 3 misprints. Okay. So let's try to write. Let's try to solve this. Right. Let X represents the number of misprints in a particular page. Let X represents the number of misprints in that particular page. Then we need to find out probability key X greater than equals to 3, because in the question it is asked what is the probability there are at least, so at least 3 and at most 3. So at least 3 মানে হচ্ছে X is greater than equals to 3, and this means at least 3, minimum is 3. At least is minimum. At least means implies minimum. And if I say at most 3, what is the probability? If I asked you what is the probability that the page has at most 3, then it becomes X is less than equals to 3. So in this case it means at most. At most means maximum. At most implies maximum. So we will be writing X is less than equals to 3. If I am saying at least 3, then we will be writing probability X is greater than equals to 3. In that case minimum value is 3, so that means it could be more than that. So how we do this? So probability X greater than equals to 3 means in this case mathematically it means ki bolo, probability X equals to 3 plus probability X equals to 4 plus probability X equals to 5 plus dot infinite cases. So there are infinite possibilities. So I can write this as a complement as 1 minus probability X less than 3, because we know that total probability of every case everywhere, sum of all the probabilities is always equals to 1. So here also for Poisson distribution we have written Poisson distributions probability mass function as e to the power minus lambda to the power x by x factorial. So if I sum this, so summation fx means for all x, so that means in this case this is x equals to 0 to infinity e to the power minus lambda to the power x by x factorial. How much is this value? How much is this value? বলো এই সকাল থেকে পড়ছি 1, yes, sum of all the probabilities equals to 1. So if I add all this probability, the probability will be equals to 1. So here although x is 0 to infinity, now the number of mistakes as it is becoming 0, 1, 2, 3, 115 is quite a large number. So comparatively we can say x tends to infinity or x is very large. So that is when this x is very large, we use the Poisson distribution. So here lambda is the average. Lambda is the average number of mistakes per page. we have already found out lambda equals to key 115 by 115, which is equals to 1. So what we have to find out is probability x greater than equals to 3 is equals to 1 minus probability x less than 3. So probability x less than 3 মানে হচ্ছে 1 minus x less than 3 মানে বলো probability x equals to কি হবে বলো, x less than 3 মানে 1 নয় 0
X equals
1
to
2,
0, 1, 2.
x equals to 0, x equals to 1,
1,
and probability x equals to
2.
2. So these are the three values. So how to find out probability x equals to 0? Probability x equals to 0 is equals to e to the power minus 1, because lambda equals to 1, lambda 1 to the power x equals to 0 by 0 factorial. In the formula, because the number of B spins we have assumed that follows the Poisson distribution, and we have found out the value of lambda is only one parameter, lambda is 1. Probability x equals to 1 তাহলে কি হবে বলো, e to the power minus 1,
minus 1.
1 to the power 1 by 1 factorial,
Yes, sir.
and probability x equals to 2 হবে e to the power minus 1, 1 to the power 2 by 2 factorial. So that means if you add, so our objective is to find out probability x greater than equals to x greater than equals to 3, which is equals to 1 minus আমরা অনেক সময় লিখি p0 plus p1 plus p2, p0 plus p1 plus p2 মানে x equals to 0, x equals to 1, x equals to 2. So what we have found out is equals to 1 minus p0 টা কত পেয়েছি e to the power minus 1, হ্যাঁ p2,
Yes, sir.
p1 also e to the power minus 1, and p2 is e to the power minus 1 by 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes 1 minus 5 e to the power minus 1 by 2. So that is the required probability. আর এবারে e এর ভ্যালু তো e to the power minus 1 মানে 1 by e, একটু কমপ্লিকেটেড হয়ে গেল না ব্যাপারটা।
Yes.
Properties of Poisson distribution. So properties of Poisson distribution. I think you have observed that I have written p lambda. Here I am putting a small under line under p to distinguish this from px. This means probability of x. And if I am writing capital P and a small arrow under it, it represents a Poisson distribution with parameter lambda to distinguish. So the property is expectation of x means expectation of Poisson distribution, where expectation of x means where x is a random variable which follows Poisson distribution with parameter lambda, then expectation of x is equals to lambda. It can be proved expectation of x equals to lambda, and variance of x is also equals to lambda. Can you prove this for me the way we have done in the morning? This one is much easier. করে দিচ্ছি, let's do. So expectation of x equals to definition summation x into fx for all x. Is it okay? Is equals to বলো কি হবে x into বলো fx এর জায়গায় কি লিখবো? What should I write?
NCX.
No. NCX was for binomial distribution. Now it is
Oh.
for Poisson distribution. It is
e to the power
minus
minus
lambda,
Minus lambda.
lambda to the power x by
lambda
x
x
factorial.
factorial.
X factorial. Huh.
Okay? And x is from 0 to infinity. So again, একই কারণে x equals to 0 টা বাদ দিয়ে next line we will write it's 0 plus, because x is 0 we cannot cancel that. 0 হলে division by 0 is not possible, so we separate 0 term and other term. So we will write which is equals to summation 0 plus x equals to 1 to infinity x into e to the power minus lambda by lambda to the power x by x factorial, and we'll cancel x factorial, it becomes x minus 1. So if we take lambda common, so it becomes lambda into summation e to the power minus lambda to the power x minus 1 by x minus 1 factorial, x equals to 1 to infinity, x equals to 1 to infinity. Is it okay? Have you followed?
Sir.
Lambda to the power x থেকে শুধু একটা lambda নিয়েছি, বাকি x minus 1 পড়ে থাকলো, lambda to the power x minus 1, and এই x and x factorial x cancel out. Similarly, whatever we have done in the morning, similar kind of things. Now put x minus 1 equals to s. So what do you get? বলো কি হবে? Is equals to lambda summation s equals to e to the power minus lambda to the power s by s factorial. Is it? Ki
Sir, s is equal to 0.
s equals to x minus 1. হ্যাঁ, s equals to কি হবে এখানে? What will be the limit? What will be the limit?
0.
S
0.
equals to 0 to
Infinite.
হ্যাঁ,
X minus 1.
minus 1.
এখানে কত হবে? x minus 1 ছিল নাকি? ওখানে কত ছিল?
N minus
It was infinity there. এখানে কত হবে?
Infinity.
Infinity, sir.
Huh? Yes, it will be infinity, because you change, if you take out 1 from infinity, it will remain as infinity. Infinity is not a number. Infinity is a concept. It's a large value. So so that means, what is this? This is sum of all the probability of a Poisson distribution, isn't it? Which is equals to lambda into, we have already written, this is the sum of all the probability of a random variable x. Instead of x we have written s. Look at the, just check. Instead of x we have written s. Is there any other difference? Whether I write a variable as x, whether I write fx is e to the power minus lambda to the power x by x factorial, or whether I write fs is e to the power minus lambda to the power s by s factorial. Are they different? Are they different?
No, sir.
They are
No,
same.
sir.
No,
So
sir.
in this case, if I take summation, for both the case, the value will be equals to 1, because that gives you the sum of all the probabilities. So sum of all the probabilities is always equals to 1. So hence what we get is expectation of x equals to lambda. So if x follows a Poisson distribution with parameter lambda, then its expectation or mean or average is lambda. So that's why in the previous problem I can put the average. There were 115 errors in 115 pages. So per page average number of errors was 115 by 115. So that means, and per page means average number of errors. So you can try that Vx is also equals to lambda. So for Vx, I'm again, why I'm repeating all this formula again and again, so that it can be kept in your mind. So formula for Vx is expectation of x square minus expectation of xl whole square. So we have already found out expectation of x. So our objective is to find out expectation of x square. So for that, which is summation of x square into fx. So please do accordingly for all x. So that is equals to summation x square into e to the power minus lambda to the power x by x factorial. Exactly same in the logic, the way we have done in the morning. So x equals to 0 to infinity. So first we will remove that 0 term, then we will write the 1 to infinity x square e to the power minus lambda to the power x by x factorial, and then we will cancel x with x factorial, that becomes factorial x minus 1. Same way we have done in the morning, and here it will be much easier. So if we and the next step we will be taking lambda common. So what is left? বলো তো কেউ, বলো। x equals to 1 to infinity e to the power minus lambda ও সামনে একটা x আছে না, there is x in front, x to the power e to the power minus lambda to the power x minus 1 by factorial x
minus
1.
তাই তো। Then next step we will put x minus 1 equals to s. That means x equals to s plus 1. So if you put next step A, what will happen? Next line will be lambda into acha কি হবে বলো is equals to lambda in summation, in place of x we will be putting s plus 1 e to the power minus lambda to the power s by s factorial, isn't it? Exactly same. And s is from 0 to infinity. And what we have done in the previous class in the morning, so we have separated. So lambda summation s into, this is fs, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Plus summation fs. I'm not writing elaborately because same thing we have done. So s into fs is what? S into fs is
S only.
no, not lambda only, not s.
Okay.
Because this is expectation of s. This is expectation of s. This is sum of the probability of s, isn't it? This is what we have done in the morning also. S into fs is nothing but the expectation. So we'll write this as is equals to lambda expectation of s plus 1. So which is lambda into lambda plus 1. Expectation of s is lambda. So what we get is Vx is equals to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So expectation of x square, what we get is lambda into lambda plus 1, and this is expectation of x is lambda then square. So simplify, what you get is, isn't it, lambda square plus lambda minus lambda square, which gives you lambda. So here it is to be noted that for Poisson distribution, expectation as well as variance, both of them are equal to the parameter. Both of them are equal to lambda. This is to be noted here. This is for Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. And for binomial distribution, expectation of x is কি ছিল মনে আছে সকালবেলা আবার রিপিট করছি, it's n into p, and variance of x ছিল n into p into 1 minus p. What is the difference between binomial distribution and Poisson distribution? Who can tell me what are the basic difference? Binomial distribution is a finite distribution. Poisson distribution is an infinite distribution.
Distribution.
In fact, it is possible, very important, listen carefully, and whatever I am saying, please write. It is possible that from binomial distribution, we can move to Poisson distribution under certain condition. Poisson, Poisson, Poisson distribution. Binomial distribution can be extended to Poisson distribution under two conditions. Number one is n tends to infinity. As n tends to infinity, and number two, n into p tends to constant. So as n is too large, as n tends to infinity and np equals to constant and np equals to lambda, we assume np equals to lambda, the binomial distribution can be converted to a Poisson distribution. So binomial distribution can be changed to Poisson distribution. That means, what I try to mean by that, if I keep on continuously tossing the coin, so initially I was tossing the coin 5 times. Then I was trying to find out what is the probability of getting 4 heads, 3 heads, 1 head, 2 head, like that. So initially I was tossing 10 times. Then I extended it to 100 times. So if I am tossing 100 times, the probability will become smaller and smaller and smaller, isn't it? 100 times the distribution, probability distribution কি হবে? X এর ভ্যালু হয়ে যাবে তখন কি? If I am tossing the coin 10 times, x will be key. If x is number of heads, so x will be having value key. Taratari. X will be having values 0, 1, 2 up to
Up to 10.
and correspondingly I can find the probability using the binomial distribution, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So একটা হেড পড়ার probability, দুটো হেড পড়ার probability, এরকম 10টা হেড পড়ার probability. So this is the probability distribution. How to find this probability x? Using binomial distribution. এবারে what I'm saying, instead of 10 times I'm extending that to 100 times. 0, 1, 2 up to 100. Then the probabilities will become smaller and smaller and smaller. So that's what if I am keep on doing the experiment again and again and again and again, then this binomial distribution will tend to a Poisson distribution, provided two conditions: n into p, number of trial into probability of getting head, is a constant, and that constant is termed as lambda. So np is constant and n tends to infinity. Under these two conditions, binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution. So mean and variance, please write this question. Mean and variance of a binomial distribution is, mean is 12 and variance is 24 by 5. What is the probability that x takes value less than equals to 2? X is a random variable which follows binomial distribution with mean 12 and variance 24 by 5. What is the probability that the variable x takes up the value less than equals to 2? So that is the question. So how to solve this? We'll solve starting this way. Given that let X follows binomial distribution with mean n and with n and p, with parameters n and p. Then given that mean equals to np equals to 12. Right? We have said that the mean and variance is, mean is 12 and variance is n into p into 1 minus p is 24 by 5. Hence, you have to solve for n and p. So solve for n and p. So substituting np, what we get is 12 into 1 minus p as suggested by Omlan. 12 into 1 minus p is equals to 24 by 5. So that means, so what we get, 1 minus p is 2 by 5. We get p is equals to
3 by 5.
p equals to 3 by 5. So p equals to 3 by 5 means, so np equals to 12, p equals to 3 by 5 and n into 3 by 5 equals to 12. So that means n equals to
20.
So we have already, for the binomial distribution, we have already found out what is n, 20, and what is p is 3 by 5. তাই তো বললাম না? We have got p is 3 by
Yes,
5.
sir.
So the second part of the question is, what is the probability that x is less than or equals to 2? That means probability x equals to 0 plus probability x equals to 1 plus probability x equals to 2. So probability x equals to 0, it's a binomial distribution. তাহলে কি হবে বলো? nc0, that means বলো কত হবে? n is 20. Here we have already found out n equals to 20 and p equals to 3 by 5. So 20 c0,
0 p to the power
p মানে হচ্ছে 3 by 5 to the
3
power
by 5
0
0
and 2 by 5 to the power 20. তাই তো?
20. হ্যাঁ,
Are you following, all of you? Plus next one, পরেরটা p equals to 1, x equals to 1 এর জন্য কি হবে বলো? Somebody else?
20c1
20c1 3 by 5 to the power
3 by 1
and
2 by
2 by 5
5
to the power
to the
19.
power 19.
তাই না? n minus p to the power x 1 minus p to the power n minus x. So x এর ভ্যালু একবার x equals to 1 বসাবো, একবার x equals to 0 বসাবো, একবার x equals to 2 বসাবো। So plus next one বলো, কেউ একজন, অন্য কেউ একজন বলো, প্রান্ত তো বলছি, somebody else?
C2.
হ্যাঁ, 20
20.
c2 3 by 5 to the power 2
2.
plus plus not, into 2 by 5 to the power
18.
18, and তারপরে then you simplify this. So this is the whole problem. Have you followed? In a Poisson distribution, the frequency corresponding to 4 successes is corresponding to 4 successes is 5 by 3 times the frequency corresponding to 5 successes. আবার বলছি, again I am repeating, in a Poisson frequency distribution, the frequency means probability, in this case probability corresponding to 4 successes is 5 by 3 times to the probability of 5 successes. Find the probability of at least 2 successes. Find the probability of at least 2 successes. So what is said that a variable x follows Poisson distribution with parameter lambda. Okay, so for x the probability of for success, that means probability of x equals to 4 is equals to কি বলেছে is 5/3 times the probability of x equals to probability of 5/3 times probability of x equals to 5. I should have written okay, let's write. So probability of 4 success, that means probability x equals to 4 is equals to 5/3 times probability x equals to 5. 5/3 times the probability of 5 successes. So that is what it is given. It is given. So from there we have to find out the value of lambda first. So how can I write this in mathematically using Poisson distribution? So probability x equals to 4. How can I write that? Who can tell me? X follows a Poisson distribution. So it will be বলো কি হবে e to the power minus lambda to the power বলো who will tell? Lambda to the power 4.
That is
No, not x. 4 because the value of x equals to 4 by 4 factorial
by 4 factorial.
is equals to 5/3 into কি হবে বলো e to the power
Minus lambda to the power 5
right
by
5 factorial.
5 factorial.
Very good. Then simplify and find the value of lambda. এটা কেটে গেল এই 5 factorial আর 4 factorial কেটে গেল এখানে 5 রয়ে গেল এই 5 কেটে গেল আর এখানে lambda 5 আর lambda 4 কেটে গেল lambda রয়ে গেল. So what is the value of lambda? Lambda equals to
1.
tell me, huh?
No sir, 3. 1 by
Lambda equals to 3. Lambda equals to 3.
3.
So what we get is lambda equals to 3. Just simplify. It's simple algebraic equation. Simplify to find the value of lambda. So we have got lambda equals to 3. Now what is the second part?
So এক minute.
So what is the second part? Second part কি বলেছে? What is
Find
the
the
probability
probability.
that probability
At least 2 successes.
x is
Lambda
at least 2.
2.
So that means how can I write this as mathematically? Who can tell me? কেউ একজন বলো জ্যোতি বলো probability
X is less than or equal to 2.
no greater than or equals
Greater than
X
equals
is
to-
greater
Yes,
than.
true, sir.
X is greater than equals to 2. So that means x is greater than equals to 2. It is difficult to find because x is from 2 to infinity, infinite case. So we will always do using complement. So that is how we will write. This is equals to 1 minus probability x is less than 2. এটার complement এটা. So because x is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot infinity. So total probability is 1. So x greater than equals to 2 is 1 minus বাকি দুটো part. So this means equals to 1 minus probability কি x less than 2 means x equals to বলো
0
plus probability x equals to 1
equals to 1.
আর কিছু না 2 হবে না কিন্তু. So just calculate these two values quickly. So probability x equals to 0 equals to কি হবে বলো is e to the power minus কত e to the power minus অনন্যা
3.
okay right Nikita is right e to the power minus 3 because lambda we have already found out 3. Lambda to the power 0 means 3 to the power 0 by 0 factorial. So that means e to the power minus 3. And probability x equals to 1 means e to the power minus lambda, that is e to the power minus 3, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power x by x factorial means 1 factorial means 3 to the power minus 3. So what we get, probability x greater than equals to 2 is equals to 1 minus e to the power minus 3 plus 3 to the power minus 3. So that means 1 minus 4 to the power minus 3. I hope I am correct. কি ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So that completes today's problem. Have you followed? Just go on. What you do, it's very simple. Actually, after first thing we need to do is to calculate the parameters, the value of the parameters. Whatever relations will be given, from there we'll find out the value of the parameters and then use that to calculate the probabilities if at all something is asked. So that's how we will do. So we'll stop